What's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Gala token guys. In this video I'm talking about the price update of Gala token and what is the price prediction of Gala token. I'm going to do a price prediction for Gala token holders guys. But guys, before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos about Gala token guys. Anyways guys, let's start the video and let's go ahead guys. So right now price of Gala token in the market is about 0.09313 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Gala token in the market. And furthermore guys, you can see here if we talk about the changes occur in the Gala token, so negative 7.56% the changes is going negative. I mean from the last 24 hours from yesterday, Gala token are completely going in the loss. The price becomes low every hour guys. Furthermore guys, if we discuss the price chart of Gala token, so you can see here you can also find Gala token. Now you can see here the price chart are completely going in the lows guys. The chart is red, that's mean that they are in the lows guys. So guys, my prediction about Gala token is simply that guys, that I'm sure about every coin, not only Gala tokens, at the last of every month, not only in September. I'm just talking about majority cases. In majority cases, in the last of every month, a lot of crypto, a lot of coin becomes positive guys, and the price jump at the last of month. So possibilities now approximately today is 21 September, and I hope guys that now the remaining days Gala token will be start pumping guys. What you think about Gala prediction, please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.